Additional Secretary has to explain. Yes, Mr. Additional Secretary. What is the object of issuance of a second show cause notice along with the inquiring officer's report? Remove your mask.
Sir,
give space, Mr. Counsel. Allow him to speak. What is the object of issuing a second show cause notice along with the inquiring officer's report to a aggrieved government servant?
sir, second show cause, the motive behind second show cause is to give him a chance to explain his position vis-a-vis the charges framed against the officer or the employee. But in this...
All right, on receipt of such explanation, how you are going to deal with the matter?
Sir, on receipt of this second explanation, we examine the explanations of the officer vis-a-vis the facts on record.
Where is such examination in the impugned order?
Sir, it's there in the note sheet of the file, sir.
Huh?
On the note sheet of the file, sir.
Why it has not been reflected in the order? He has a remedy of appeal or approaching this court. Why it has not been reflected in the order? He must know, no, under what circumstances his reply or explanation to the second show cause notice has been rejected. Is it? Are you claiming any privilege?
No, sir.
Then why it has not been reflected? You have to pass a speaking order in the impugned order itself. A, B, C, D, his explanation. These are not tenable. This is tenable. Where is such examination?
Sorry, sir.
What sorry? Since how long you are in the post of Additional Secretary? You don't know basic thing in CCA rules. Have you seen the CCA rules 2005? How the authority has to, disciplinary authority has to act on receipt of inquiring officer's report and thereafter. Even if you file a 10 affidavit, the case will not be improved. I will set aside and remand the matter. You pass a speaking order after considering each of the contention raised by the petitioner in his explanation to the second show cause notice.
Sir.
Yes, take them. In the instant petition, petitioner has prayed for the following relief. Pursuant to the order dated 19/4/2022, respondent number 4, Additional Secretary Mr. So-and-so is present in the court. This court posed a question as to is there any application of mind in respect of examining the petitioner's explanation to the second show cause notice or not. He made a statement that petitioner's explanation has been taken note of and the same is reflected in the office note sheet. Even though there is an application of mind by the disciplinary authority while passing order, however, petitioner has not been made known the application of mind of the disciplinary authority for the reasons that impugned order must reflect the application of mind by the disciplinary authority in considering the petitioner's each of the contention raised by him against the second show cause notice, that is a reply to the second show cause notice. On this short ground, the impugned order dated so-and-so, annexure so-and-so stands set aside. The disciplinary authority is hereby directed to pass a fresh speaking order after due consideration of each of the contention raised by the petitioner in his explanation to the second show cause notice. The above exercise shall be completed within a period of 1 month from the date of receipt of this order and communicate the decision to the petitioner.